In this lesson, I will discuss about heads up toolbar. Inside this heads up toolbar, you will find all tools which is common view manipulation tools. Let's say if you want to zoom in, you can use this tool, or if you want to make a cross section from this assembly, I can use this tool. There are a few different options here which I will discuss later. Also, if you want to hide or show anything from this drop down menu, you can do it. Let's say you want to show all view origin for all specific part and also for this assembly. In that case, you have to select it. It will show you that. Then if you want to activate any temporary axis or permanent axis, you can also do that, which is you can see here. So this is just a toggle button. By using this, you can hide and show very quickly. Then if you want to change your display style, you can also do that quickly from here. Let's say if I want to change like this way, or if I want to change like this wireframe, I can also do that quickly. Then also you can change your appearance or scene, also view setting you can change from here.